Hey dolls and gents, we are finally doing an updated weight loss video. Y'all have been commenting on my videos that I've been losing weight, but honestly, I have been the same weight for about a year and a half. I have been weighing around 130 to 135, and I honestly have not even started working out yet. I know, I'm lazy AF, right? But if you remember my first video, I did a video on how I lost weight without working out. Definitely check that video out because two of the tips that I'm gonna be sharing today are the same from that video, but I also have 3 new tips. So I'm doing a top 5 how I lose weight at home, rather how I maintain my weight so that I'm not gaining, I'm not losing, because honestly, in order for me to lose any more weight, I'm gonna have to hit the gym. Like, I'm gonna have to do some cardio, or I'm gonna have to do some serious dieting, and I don't believe in dieting, okay? Like, I'm not a dieting kind of girl. Your girl likes to eat, okay? Honestly, I'm not trying to cut anything out of my diet, okay? I tried to go vegan. That lasted for like a week, and then I was back to eating meat. So, yeah, I know. If you're like me, you don't like to diet and you're just looking for ways to like easily just maintain your weight or lose a little bit of weight, then definitely stay tuned. So I am 5'3". Like I said, I'm weighing between like 130, 135. My goal weight was 120, but honestly, like I'm happy with like my shape and everything. I actually still like have all my feminine curves and everything. I feel like I need to lose a little bit of this right here because my back is like, ugh. But that's a whole nother topic. That's a whole nother video, okay? Number 1, this was number 1 in my last video. It is major key. Drink more water. Water is super important. Water is good for your skin. Water is good for your nails. It's good for your overall health. I mean, we consist of water, so you need water. And I really enjoy alkaline water. Yeah, water is super major key on any weight loss journey. Like, you need to drink more water. Try to cut out all like the sugary drinks and all of that because it's not helping you. Like, water is just the best thing. If you're going out to eat, order a glass of water instead of like a Coke or like something sugary, you know? Also, if you can cut out alcohol, like do that. Before I wasn't drinking, but I started back drinking, but that's a whole nother topic too, okay? So let's get back to this. So tip number 2, do not skip breakfast. And I'm telling this to myself because I never used to eat breakfast. Like, I don't know what it was. Like, I did not want to wake up and just like feed my face, you know? I would always have the heaviest meal at night, and that is absolutely terrible. You do not want to eat a lot at night and then lay down on that. Like, you're just storing all that fat in there, and then it's just doing a lot with your esophagus and things of the sort. Don't do like me. Eat a good hearty breakfast. Sometimes I will wake up and I'll cook like eggs, I'll have a protein, and then I'll also have like some kind of like bread or grain. But majority of the time I will have like a on-the-go smoothie, I will have a granola bar, I will have fruit, or I'll do like a quick breakfast bowl. So my current favorite breakfast has been a plant-based meal replacement shake, and this one is from 310 Nutrition. They have vanilla and they have vanilla chai. Vanilla is like one of my favorite kind of like ice cream flavors or like shakes. I love vanilla. I'm not a huge chocolate girl, but vanilla all day, every day. And the fact that they had vanilla chai, y'all know how obsessed I am with chai tea. So this one in the morning is like perfect. Since this is a protein shake, I actually feel really full after I have this in the morning. So it's like super easy for me to like be on the go and still make sure that I'm eating breakfast and not skipping it. So the 310 Nutrition shake is really dope because it's sugar-free, it's dairy-free, it's soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. And even though this is plant-based, it still tastes super yummy, and I absolutely love this for a meal replacement. I'm actually gonna have one tonight, so I'm going to show you exactly how I make it so you can see. I like having it with almond milk. I love almond milk. It's so good. Combined with this is everything, and I'm getting all the protein I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake. I like to do it with almond milk, but you can use water. I am going to take a scoop of my vanilla chai, and it does come with a little scooper. So I've got a cup of it. I'm gonna drop it in there. Now I'm gonna take my almond milk, and you can do 6 to 8 ounces. Then I'm going to put the top on, and you've got to shake this up really good. So now it's nice and shook up. I'm gonna have a drink. It's really good, y'all. And 310 Nutrition was super dope to provide my subbies with a 70% off their starter kit. And the starter kit is gonna come with one of the replacement meal shakes. And you can choose between vanilla, they have vanilla chai, they have chocolate, and also salted caramel. And it's also gonna come with 3 single servings of their shake. You're also going to receive their blackberry lemonade, a single serving of that, a single serving of their superfood juice, samples of their tea, your 310 shaker cups so you can go ahead and have your shake on the go like me, a $10 310 Nutrition gift card, and you can check out their shake recipe ebook as well as their meal plan ebook that is available online for you guys. So my third tip is exercising at home. You do not have to go to the gym to exercise. I personally like to do cardio, so I like to run up and down my stairs. I also love to jump rope. Like, this is something that I recently started doing, but I absolutely love jump roping, and it does burn a lot of calories. So if you have a jump rope, do that. And I do it in my place. Like, I have hardwood floors in here, so I like to jump rope out here. I also like to turn on music and start to clean and like dance as I'm cleaning. It sounds crazy, but it's burning calories. Anything to burn a calorie, okay? You can work out at home. You can exercise at home. Cardio, you can lift some weights, whatever you want to do. You don't need a treadmill. You don't need an elliptical, any of that. You can lose weight with like no equipment. So my fourth tip I talked about in my last video as well, and that's portion control. And let me be very clear that I am not starving myself in any way. When I say portion control, your girl used to just eat, okay? There was no such thing as a portion. I was eating whatever I wanted to eat when I wanted to eat it. But with my portion control now, I am eating less. I'm eating what I'm supposed to be eating, not more, not less. And also, I saw someone talking about using smaller plates. I started to do that, and honestly, it's like a mind trick. Because the plate is smaller, it's tricking your mind to thinking that you're actually eating more when you're eating the same thing on a bigger plate, if that makes any sense. I still do not believe in counting calories. I don't do that. I don't have time for that. If you want to do that, that's perfectly fine, but I just make sure that I'm eating the right portions, the right amounts. So my last and final tip is healthy snacking. Instead of going to the pantry and grabbing like a whole bunch of chips, cookies, candy, make sure that you have healthy snacks in your place. So some of my favorite healthy snacks are almonds. I absolutely love almonds. If you can do the raw almonds, even better, without like the salt and all the added ingredients, just straight up raw almonds. Just have like a handful, like a small handful. I also love cucumbers with vinegar. So freaking good, right? I love cutting up an apple and eating that. So good. You can have it with a little bit of almond butter as well if you want something a little more sweet. And I love edamame. So freaking good. Those are some of my favorite healthy snacks. So I hope that y'all found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. A huge shout out to 310 Nutrition for sponsoring this video, and they're offering a bomb coupon code for you guys. I absolutely love this shake. I have started to eat breakfast now, which is really great. And this is something that you can do on the go. I know a lot of you are working, are moms. You're just like super busy, and sometimes you just don't have the time to prepare breakfast for yourself. So this is a great meal replacement. Do not forget to take advantage of that discount. Link will be in the description box down below. You'll receive 70% off as well as free shipping on all orders over $50. Again, my faves, okay, are the vanilla chai and the vanilla. But I'm a vanilla girl. If you like chocolate, check out the chocolate. I'm just not a chocolate girl. If y'all have not already watched my last video, be sure to check out the makeup tutorial right here, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.